Hello and welcome to class ninth, subject English, book Behave, chapter 8, Reach for the Top. Part first of chapter 8, Santosh Yadav. In this chapter, we will learn about a inspiration whose name is Santosh Yadav. This lesson tells us about the strong determination and devotion of a brave and courageous woman, Santosh Yadav. She has the honor to be the only woman in the world who has conquered Mount Everest twice. Leaving the traditional way of life, she paved her own path of success. She got interested in mountaineering when she was studying at Maharani College in Jaipur. Thereafter, she joined Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi. She had the proud privilege to conquer the Mount Everest for the first time in 1992. She was awarded Padma Shri by the Government of India when she unfurled the Indian flag on the top of the Mount Everest. She felt proud of being an Indian. And second time she uh, uh, conquered the Mount Everest in 1993 uh, through the Kangsung phase. Kangsung phase students, as Himalayan mountains are having different phases of climbing. Okay, so she had climbed the Mount Everest from Kangsung phase. Fine. So now let's start the chapter. The only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing and a daughter, though not considered a curse, was not generally welcome. So, students, as we got to know that Santosh Yadav was not from such a background where girls get privilege or get appreciated. Okay, so she was belonging from that background where boys were known much, and every family needs a boy child only. They treated a son as a blessing and daughter, though not considered a curse. Means curse means here that they didn't take it negatively, but then also they wish for a boy only. When her mother was expecting Santosh, a traveling holy man giving her his blessing, assumed that she wanted a son. Means here, once upon a time, what happened? A holy man, as you all know, students, saint used to roam here and there and ask for something. Okay, so like that, only a holy man was roaming here and there, and in path only they find them, and he bless Santosh mother that she will have a boy child, as assuming that she must be wanting that only because everyone's need a boy child. So Santosh mother also need that only, so he blessed that he will she'll have son. But to everyone's surprise, the unborn child's grandmother, who was standing close by, told him that they didn't want a son. Means the grandmother, the dadi of Santosh Yadav, uh, just stopped that holy man and said that she doesn't want, or her family doesn't want any son. They need a girl. Now think about it, students, that why a grandmother was expecting from her Santosh Yadav's mother a boy, a girl child. Why? Okay. The holy man was also surprised by knowing that why she is asking for a girl. Nevertheless, he gave the requested blessing. Then the holy man gave the blessing as per the grandmother has requested. Okay. So, and as a destiny would have it, the blessing seemed to work. But destiny means kismet. So, what the destiny was, it happens like that only. She had Santosh Yadav. Santosh was born the sixth child in a family with five sons, a sister to five brothers. So, as by reading this line, you students, you must be knowing why her grandmother needs a girl child, because in her family already they were having five sons, and Santosh Yadav was the only girl child in that family, a sister of five brothers. Okay, so she was born in the small village of Jonia, was of Rewari district in Haryana. So where Santosh Yadav got birth? In Jonia village. It is in Rewari district of Haryana. Okay. So the girl was given the name Santosh, which means contentment. Okay, students, means the lady, the girl whose name is Santosh, which means satisfaction. Okay, but this lady was not satisfied with anything. By reading next lines or in a further part of the chapter, you got to know this also. But Santosh was not always content with her place in a traditional way of life. Means here, students, Santosh was a girl who was not satisfied with anything. She content with a place in a traditional way of life. Means she was living at a place which was totally cultural type of place, and they used to follow the tradition of that place, but she never used to. She began living life on her own terms from the start. Means as the Santosh Yadav got senses about herself, that how to live, how to wear, how to eat, and what to eat, as she developed her choices, she had chosen her own way to live her life. Nobody interrupted in her, as she was the only girl in that family. So she live her life uh, on her terms only. Okay, so where other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, Santosh preferred shorts. Means Indian traditional dresses here means, students, as you all know, sari, lehenga, suit. As per the state is having the traditional dress or cultural dress, the same dress Santosh Yadav used to uh, Santosh Yadav village girls used to wear. But the thing was that Santosh didn't wear such type of dresses. She wore short skirts, and a knee length or above knee length dress. Okay, so Santosh preferred shorts. Looking back, she says now, from the very beginning, I was quite determined that if I choose a correct and a rational path, the others around me had to change, not me. Means by this line, students, you can learn something. It is very good line said by Santosh Yadav in a one interview, that she said that from the beginning of her life only, she was too determined about her choices that she was known to it that she was correct. Means she take rational path. Rational means her right or wrong, means she was having the capability or capacity to choose the to judge whether the path is right or wrong, and accordingly she chose the right path. And she was having the confidence also, like, if you have to change something, someone has to take a step for that, and after that, by watching them, other will follow him or her. Okay, so by this determination, she used to do different things, what is correct and what should be followed. Okay, Santosh's parents were affluent landowners who could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the country's capital, New Delhi, which was quite close by. So, Santosh, affluent here means well to do. Means Santosh Yadav's background was much better to afford a good school. As land owners, his father was a landowner, okay, they were having good lands, who could afford to send their children to the best school. So Santosh Yadav, even the country's capital, even to the country's capital, means they can afford schools of Delhi also, which was quite close by, and it was close to it. But in line here means students following according to the generation, means in her family, in her village, what used to happen that, but in line with the prevailing custom in the family, Santosh had to do with the local village school. Means as the family girls or the students or the children used to go to the primary school of the village, like that only Santosh Yadav was also set to go to such school only. So she decided to fight the system in her own quiet way when the right time, when the right moment arrived. So as according to their parents, Santosh Yadav had gone to that primary school and take the education, and she decided at that time only that she will fight against the system. Against the system means if anybody has not left that village, it doesn't mean nobody will left in future also. Okay, so she had decided that she will fight against the system for having good education, and then but the conditions she was having, that she'll fight with the system in her own way when she will be able to and capable of doing all those things. Okay, and the right movement came, means Santosh Yadav was waiting for a right movement to take the hard step. Okay, and that right movement came when she turned 16, means when Santosh Yadav had become of 16, and after that she had taken that step. At 16, most of the girls in her village used to get married. Means in Jonia, most of the girls used to marriage at the age of 16 only, but Santosh refused to get married. Santosh was also under pressure from her parents to do the same, but she refused to it. She asked to study from her parents. A marriage as early as that was the last thing on her mind. She threatened. Here, threatened means, students in Hindi, Chetavni. She threatened her parents that she would never marry if she did not get a proper education. Means she warned her parents, not warned or Chetavni, you can say, she told to her parents that she will marry then only when she'll get a proper education. Rather, she'll not get married. She left home and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. Means she had left the home. Think about it, students. She had left her home at 16 only, age of 16, and she enrolled herself in Delhi school. When her parents refused to pay for her education, she politely informed them of her plans to earn money by working part time to pay her school fees. Her parents then agreed to pay for her education. Means students, when Santosh Yadav had gone to Delhi, she enrolled in the school of New Delhi, and then what happened? She asked for the fees of that school. Okay, so her parents refused to give that fees, but what she replied very politely in her letters that okay, fine, if they doesn't want to give that money, they don't give. She'll arrange by doing part-time jobs. After that, what happened? Wishing always to study a bit more, and with her father slowly getting used to her urge for more education, Santosh passed the high school examination and went to Jaipur. She joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. Urge here means student desire. Okay, so here urge is written, so it means desire. Wishing always to study a bit more. Wishing always to study a bit more here means she always want to study more and more and get the knowledge more and more. Okay, she was having an enthusiasm to do something, so she wants to have good knowledge, and she was having curiosity to read or study more and more to have the knowledge. And with her father slowly getting used to her desire for more education, means because of his father she was having a desire of getting more and more education. Santosh passed the high school examination, means somehow a little bit support was there with Santosh Yadav, and she had completed her high school also and went to Jaipur for joining Maharani College in Kasturba, uh, Maharani College in Jaipur, and she had taken a room to live at Kasturba Hostel. Santosh remembers Kasturba Hostel faced the Haravli Hills. So, students, Kasturba Hostel was in front of, you can say, in the way of Aravali Hills, at the diagonally, you can say, or in front of, opposite to it. Kasturba Hostel के opposite में Aravali Hills थे. Okay. So I used to watch villages from my room. I hear is Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav is she is saying that she used to see that Aravali Hills from her window only, from the room's window. Okay, going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while, means what she used to notice after seeing that people used to go on that hill, and after some time they used to vanish means they doesn't she doesn't able to see them over there. One day I decided to check it out myself. Means she was having, as I have told you, students, in the starting of the para, that she was having a curiosity to know about new things and various things. So when she noticed that the various people used to climb that Aravali hill, but after a period of time they used to vanish from there. So she decided to check out there that what happened and what people used to do that they vanish very fast. I found nobody except a few mountaineers. When Santosh arrived at Aravali Hills, she found some mountaineers moving on that Aravali Hill. I asked if I could join them. Then, in curiosity, Santosh Yadav asked those mountaineers to join that climbing. To my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative and motivated me to take to climbing. So Santosh Yadav was very surprised that those people had allowed her to join with them in the mountaineering. They answered in an affirmative way. Affirmative here means, students, positive sentence. Okay. So they give their positive view and asked this girl, Santosh Yadav, by motivating her that she should also climb mountains if she is having interest. Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. Means the girl who was totally clear about her future and very confident about her decisions. Okay, so when she started climbing mountains, there was no looking back. Okay, she had never seen back what happened and what she has left. Okay, and she moved on. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Means she had not told about this mountaineering part to their parents. So, by saving some money, she had taken admission in Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May. Okay, students, means college semester was going to over at April, in April only, but it ended in the ended on the 19th of May. Okay, and I was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on the 21st. Means she had to join Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering on the date 21st, 21. Okay, and she was leaving that college, Maharani College, on 19th of May. So there is very less time, means 19th and 20 and then 21. On 21 she has to join that Uttarkashi Institute of Mountaineering. So she was having only 1 day gap. So because of that she didn't get time. So I did not go back home. There was no time, so she didn't go back home. Instead, I headed straight for the training. I had to write a letter of apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi. Okay, students, so as she didn't got gone home and she directly joined that College of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, she had joined, and she decided to write an apology letter. Apology letter means sorry letter to her parents, because she had not told anything about the this college, Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Okay, so she wanted to write an apology letter to her father, because she had not taken permission to enroll in Uttarkashi College of Mountaineering. Thereafter, Santosh went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Okay, so after this, Santosh Yadav used to go on expedition. Expedition means a voyage of enterprise. Okay, she used to go uh, to have the training every year, training of mountaineering. Her climbing skills matured. Matured means developed rapidly as she was doing the training, and as she get the experience, she get matured about the things, developed her skills also. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance. Resistance means the ability not to be affected by something. Okay, so resistance here means the endurance power, the taking air and controlling that air, or with the resistance to the cold also, and the altitude. Okay, so she has developed a remarkable very good resistance to cold and the altitude. Equipped means supplied with. Okay, supplied with an iron will, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness. Means she was supplied with a iron will. Means she was too determined, she was too confident, as it is compared with an iron. Okay, students, so she was also having physical endurance. Endurance here means strength. She was very good at her physical strength also, and an amazing mental toughness. Means she was mentally and physically, by both, she was too strong to satisfied with the different conditions of life and mountaineering. She proved herself rapidly, means as the time passes, she was matured with the different skills of mountaineering and she had proved herself. And to her village also, or you can say to her parents. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992. Culmination means end of her hard work. What the practices she was doing, the end of those practices have shown the result in the sincerity came uh, in year 1992. Just 4 years after, she had shyly asked the Aravali mountaineers if she could join them. Means 4 years before 1992 से 4 साल पहले. It must be of 1991, 1990, 1990 and 1919 and 1918. Okay. In 1918, she asked to the mountaineers of Aravali that could she, in a shyly manner, she asked to them, to the Aravali mountaineers, if she could join them. At barely 20 years of age, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest. Means, scaled here means she had measured the Mount Everest, you can say, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. Means at a very less age she has achieved the feat. If her climbing skills, physical fitness and mental strength impressed her seniors, means when she was in the training in internship, she has impressed her seniors by her skills. Means skills here means physical fitness, as I have told you, and mental strength she was having amazing. And due to those, her seniors were also impressed. Her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of the fellow climbers. Means due to other qualities also, as she was good at her physical strength and mental strength, she was having a good behavior also. She always used to work in team only, and found her a special place in the hearts of her fellow climbers. Due to her desire to work together and concern for others, she had made a special place in the hearts of her seniors or the climbers. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at a south column. Means what once what happened that she was in 1992 one incident happened with her, that when she was climbing the Mount Everest, one climber was there who was dying. Okay, who was laying on the ground and he was dying at the south column. She was unfortunately unsuccessful to save him. She didn't able to save him, that person. However, she managed to save another climber. Means one more chance she got to save the climber's life. From this, students, you must know this, that climbing Mount Everest is not an easy task. Many people lose their life in doing that. Okay, and Santosh Yadav had done that in a very less age. And she has saved a climber's life also, that is Mohan Singh. Now, how she saved her life? Saved his life? Who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him? Means Santosh Yadav had saved Mohan Singh's life by sharing her oxygen cylinder. As you all know that oxygen cylinders they used to carry on their back. Okay, so she was having two oxygen cylinders from one, and one she has shared with him only. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition that invited her to join them. She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Mount Everest and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. Annals means students, annals means historic records. Historic records. So what happened? Within 12 months only, Santosh found herself a member of Indo-Nepalese Women's Expedition. Means Santosh found herself means she has joined a membership of or she has got a membership of Indo-Nepalese Women's Expedition, and they have invited her to join it. Then she scaled the Everest a second time. Means again she had set a record to climb the Mount Everest, and at second time as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice. Means one more record she sets. First record she set to climb the Mount Everest at very less age, and second uh, example she set to climb the Everest twice. Okay, and securing of herself and India's a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. Means she had made India a historic she had made a historic record of mountaineering in the India's history. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed here means students conferred or gave. Okay, so Indian government gave upon her one of the nation's top honors of Padma Shri. Means after climbing second time she had got Padma Shri award. Top honors means highest award. Literally here means exactly as per the meaning of the word. Describing her feelings when she was literally on the top of the world, Santosh has said, "It took some time for the enormity it took some time for the enormity of the movement to sink in. Then I unfold the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world." Nayash describing her feelings when in her interview when Santosh Yadav was describing her feelings literally here means exactly on her words. On the top of the world means, as you all know students, Mount Everest is the topmost place of the world. Okay, literally also she was on the top of the world, and she was feeling also as if she was on the top of the world. Okay, so by literal meaning also she was on the top, and by inner soul meaning also she was on the top of the world. Santosh has said it took some time for the enormity of the moment. Enormity means a very great movement she was having. It was like she was not able to believe that she had scored that, she had done that, and it takes a moment to believe that she had climbed that Mount Everest. She had finally done that. To sink in means to understand. She took a little bit of time to understand that she had done it. Means she was not believing that what she had done. She had done two great things. Then I unfold the Indian tricolor and held it aloft. Aloft means held it up high. Okay, so as she must have rolled the Indian tricolor flag in her bag. Okay, and after visiting there, after being on the top of the world, she had taken out that flag and rolled it, and then what she has done that um, The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world. Means she has put in that tricolor and held it aloft. It held it up high. She hold that flag up in this up above her, or in the sky, I can say, and moved it. The flag, the feeling is indescribable. Means she was feeling very proud to being a Indian, and the feeling was just undescribable. The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world. Means the feeling that she had done, she had made it, that the Indian flag was just flying on the top of the world on the Mount Everest, the topmost place. It was truly a spiritual movement. I felt proud as an Indian. She was feeling too good over there. She was feeling to be an Indian. Also a fervent. Fervent here means traveling strong and sincere feelings. Having strong and sincere feeling. Fervent means having strong and sincere feelings. So also a fervent environmentalist, means she was a very good environmentalist also. She think about the environment too. Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. Okay, so by being a environmentalist, secured she had collected 500 kilograms of garbage, and by rolling it down the Mount Everest, like from the up it is easy to roll the anything. So after collecting 500 kilograms of garbage, she had uh, thrown it down in the, you can say, she was coming with that garbage along with it, and she had done a very good work for the environment. This much is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter very nicely. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Some questions I have given to you, 5 questions here, in which you have to write 30 words. Uh, okay, these questions answers should be in 30 to 50 words, you can say, and this is the answer this question in 1 or 2 sentences. Okay, you can say 20 words to 30 words. The paragraph numbers within brackets provide clues to the answers. Okay, so students, clues you'll get in the book only. So write the answers carefully and nicely in your fair copies. Thank you and have a